In the bustling world beneath the great oak tree, a colony of ants tirelessly went about their daily tasks. Each ant had a specific role, ensuring the survival and prosperity of their little underground community. At the heart of the colony was the queen, majestic and essential for the growth of her people. But she was not the sole source of success. Her strength lay in the cooperation and dedication of countless worker ants who ventured into the treacherous terrain above. Among these ants were Forin and Lula. Forin was an eager gatherer, known for his speed and agility. Lula, on the other hand, was methodical and strategic. While their personalities differed greatly, their shared drive to support the colony brought them together time and time again. One day, as Forin scurried to collect food, he noticed a massive crumb of bread lying in the grass, enough to feed the colony for several days. He rushed towards it, excited by its sheer size, but soon realized its weight was beyond his capacity. Straining under the burden, Forin attempted to move it inch by inch. Meanwhile, Lula had been observing from a distance. Recognizing Forin's struggle, she approached him with a plan. "We can't do this alone," Lula remarked thoughtfully, "but together, we can harness enough strength to carry this prize back home." Understanding the wisdom in her words, Forin nodded. Together, they worked in unison, each taking turns to push and lift the gigantic crumb. The effort was exhausting, but they felt motivated watching each other persist. As they struggled, other ants from the colony noticed the duo's efforts and hurried to assist. The combined force and determination of the team transformed what was once an insurmountable task into a feasible mission. With united spirit, they finally delivered the food back to the colony. That day, the ants learned a vital lesson. It was not just individual skill or strength that sustained their community, but the power of teamwork. The collaboration ensured the survival and nourishment of the entire colony. The queen praised the worker ants for their efforts. "Today, we thrive not because of individual might, but because of our collective strength," she declared. "The secret to our prosperity lies in our togetherness." From that day on, the ants worked more closely, echoing their queen's sentiments, understanding that teamwork was not just a strategy, but a vital part of their existence. And so, beneath the great oak tree, the ant colony continued to flourish, an epitome of unity and cooperation.